Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tres Jolie channel. I am here with the October scrapbooking kit, and in this kit you will find a pack of Prima flowers, 2 packs of flowers from 49 and Market, this bit of lace here, this pack of 2 frames, this 2-pack of frames from Creative Embellishments, this 5-pack of butterflies from Creative Embellishments as well, and then the papers and this Bits and Bobs pack from Blue Fern Studio's Jane's Memoirs line. And just real quick, I'll hold up the back of this pack so you can kind of see what's in there if you hadn't received this. And then the backs of those cutout pieces are just patterns like that. And then the 12 by 12 papers, and I will flip through these real quick right now just to kind of show all the patterns that are in there. Alright, I think I have a plan going here, and I just want to talk about what I did to this chipboard. I wasn't sure how I was going to be doing things when I first started playing around, but then when I came across this sheet from the papers, and I saw the gap here, I liked how that lined up in it. And so if you look at, this is my sketch of the sketch, which I do to try to simplify things for myself. So far right now, it's basically, I just turned it like so. And I'm planning on finishing out here, and if you look along here, there's like a lace print, and that'll be about where I probably move this cluster. So still the sketch, just rotated a little bit. But now to talk about this frame, which I didn't do anything except put 3 layers of the Ancient Amber baked texture from Emerald Creek Seth Apter. This is from my stash, but it gives it a nice vintage gold look. So there is where I am at right now, and I was thinking of adding just a little bit more stenciling in, and this is floral net. This is also a stencil, or this is a stencil that is also from my stash. And I was thinking of sort of adding it in just some places, not too heavy, but just kind of across some areas here. And for the stenciling, I'm just going to use some Crackle texture paste, also from my stash, and just put it on. Oh, I also wanted to say I do have some clear gesso on here. It's not just going straight, that's why it's curled up a little bit. It's because it does have gesso on it that is already dried. So I'm just going to go in now with my texture paste in just a few areas. Alright, it was kind of noisy when I did that last part, so I'm just going to kind of backtrack here. The watercolor I used was Berry Hot from Shimmers, and I just added it to the areas that had that crackle paste there. And I liked it because it does match the flower pack, well, the purple flower pack here, very, very well. And I just wanted to add some more of that color that is like these flowers. So now I'm going to kind of just work around a little bit and see where this is going to take me before I start trying to glue things down. Okay. As you saw, I got everything where I wanted it and glued it all down. And I did add just some cardboard to help hold that picture up, since I do have flowers tucked under the edge. And I don't really want to do too much to this layout because it already has so much detail, with those papers. Oh, and I did add just some more that I had cut out from a different sheet there. But there's so much detail on the main paper that I kind of want to leave it relatively simple. But I do think I want to add just a little bit of some texture pebbles and some lavender glass glitter. Now both of these are from my stash, and I'm just going to use some diamond glaze to add it in. And there you have it, my layout using this month's sketch. Now, here is my little sketch of the sketch. So you can see, I just turned it like so and put everything together. I don't have too much going on. I didn't want to take away from the papers. And I just added some embossing powder from my stash, and the paste, and watercolor, and some texture pebbles, and some glitter glass. You know, the flowers and the papers and the chipboard frame were from this month's kit. So I hope that you enjoyed this project and it gave you some ideas of what can be done on your layouts and how you can work with items in the kit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when other videos are uploaded or the reveal video comes up at the beginning of the month that showcases all of the kits. I will see you again soon.